What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am K.kurlz. Today I am going to touch up my eyebrows and this mustache that is full grown in. So if you would like to see it, please stay tuned. I'm going to start with my lip because there is no outline that you need to follow like in your eyebrows. You need to make sure there's a certain shape. With your lip, you're really just going to take all that crap off. Now, what I'm going to use is just a regular eyebrow razor. I'm going to take a Q-tip and I'm going to take a little bit of some tea tree oil and I'm just going to apply that to my lip just so that I'm not shaving somewhere that's absolutely dry. So just apply a little bit of that there. Start shaving away. Now, you want to shave in a direction away from your face and then back towards it. So you want to go away from the green and back towards the green. That's going to stop any ingrown hairs or bumps from you shaving or accidentally bumping a follicle and it getting infected. It's just going to keep that nice, clean shave look. You want to take simple, easy strokes. You don't want to take too hard strokes because you don't want to cut yourself. Like, I kind of just cut myself right here, and now I'm bleeding. So be very careful. Okay, so now that you have that layer off, just go around and collect all that hair off of your face. So now we are just going to go up against the grain. Get all those last little pieces of hair. Okay. Look at that. Brand new looking lips. And it's smooth because you used the tea tree oil. So next we are going to move on to the harder part. The next part is going to be eyebrows. Now for eyebrows, listen, I am not going to try and say that I'm a beautician or somebody who masters eyebrows. I'm going to try the best I can to clean it up. I'm going to do the exact same way that I did for my lip. I'm just going to take a Q-tip and dab it in the tea tree oil. And I'm going to start with my unibrow first. Okay, and I'm just gonna go right on in there, and I'm gonna stick to the outline of my eyebrow here and here. So I'm just gonna get rid of the hair that's in the middle. So I'm gonna use that as a guide. Okay, now I know it didn't look like I had a lot of hair, but that was definitely a lot of unibrow hair. My unibrow's gone. Not today. Alright, so let's move on to the rest of the brows. And what I'm going to do for this is I'm just going to brush these directly up because I'm going to go underneath it. So I'm just going to brush this directly up. I'm going to do the same thing for over here. Just brush them up the best that you can. Okay. And back in with your tea tree oil under. Get it nice and moisturized under there because you don't want to shave your skin dry. Okay. So we're just going to take our razor and we're going to go in and start cleaning these up. So what I like to do is pull my skin outwards and just kind of go into the shape of my eyebrow. And I'll show you what I mean because I'm going to do it. So, yes. Just glide over the outer part of the shape of your eyebrow. Don't go into the hairs because it's easier to pluck those if you get a little bit closer, so that you don't take too much of it off, because you can always take a little away, but if you take too much, we can't fix that, girl. Can't. You just gotta wait for it to grow back. So take your time and just go under it, following your hairline. And then you're just gonna do the same thing to the other side. Just brush that back up again really quickly. What I didn't show you guys that I'm doing in between is I'm actually taking my razor and I'm going across the napkin and I'm going like this. So I'm just getting any excess hair off, because you don't want to keep doing that with the razor. And then go under your hair and take off any of that excess, under your eyebrow, and take off any of that excess hair that you got off. So now, back to the other side. So I am again gonna pull my hair, my eyebrow skin out this way so that I can just go underneath. And just like I did for this side, I'm just gonna go directly under the hairline. I'm not gonna go into it, just directly under it. So pull it out and directly under. Okay. Straight through under that line. And then you're just gonna do the exact same thing over the top. So you can already see it's really cleaned up underneath at the bottom. So we're just gonna do the exact same thing right over the top to make sure that it's nice and clean. So now we are gonna brush this over and then down. So we're gonna brush it over and then down. Okay. And then you know what I'm gonna say. Once again with the tea tree oil right over the top. Okay. And then right over the top of the other one. Yes. And then back in with a razor. And I am again just gonna hold the skin down. And I'm going to start from the middle and just go right up against the very, very edge of my hair. The hairline of my eyebrow. Very gently. I'm starting from the halfway point forward, and then I'm going to go over the tail going back. And I'm going to go down. Pull it out again, and just go straight down. Okay. And then we're just going to go over the other one the exact same way. So I'm going to start from the middle and work my way in. And remember to stay just outside of the hairline. You don't want to go into it. Okay. And then, of course, the tail. So straight down for the tail. Okay, so here's my final product. My eyebrows and my lip. So I hope you guys like it. If you did, please remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching.